Hi, this is Kedi of KedishiArts, and I wanted to show you a quick tip. Now sometimes you need to zoom into a particular part of the painting. However, when you're working zoomed in, it can be really difficult to see how it's affecting the image as a whole. So what I'd like to do is to create a duplicate window. I know you can use your navigator, but sometimes navigator windows are a bit too small, and sometimes you want something that's a little bit bigger. So what I do, I go to Window, Arrange, and then New Window, and then go back to Window, Arrange, and select from any of these window arrangements. I like the 2-up vertical, but you can use any of the other ones there as well. You can also add like 3, 4, whatever, but in this instance I will use the 2-up vertical like that. And then what I will do, I will zoom into this one. In this instance I want to work on the fairy, so I will zoom in here and keep this one about that size. And the beauty of duplicating the window in this way is that whatever you paint in one window will be repeated and continually updated in the other window. I'm just doing this to show you that I'm not actually going to do this for the painting. That's it. If you have any ideas for any more quick tips, please feel free to leave them in the comments. And if you would like to see more quick tips like this, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I will see you next time.